Hello everyone, it's Tay Slays. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I decided to do a New Year's Eve get ready with me, staying in the house edition type thing. Hence why I have like some cute PJs on. I did my hair and I also obviously I did my makeup. So I recorded doing both, and I also wanted to let you guys know that all of the products, with an exception of the Urban Decay setting spray, everything is drugstore. So if you are interested in trying some new drugstore products, some good quality drugstore products, everything will be down below. I also want to wish everyone a happy new year. I hope that you guys have a prosperous one, an abundant one, a year full of blessings and amazing opportunities. Yeah, I hope that you guys stay safe. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look and how I did my hair and everything, I suggest you guys keep on watching. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to tap the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload another video. And yes, again, happy new year. Happy new year. 2022 is about to be a great year. I'm very excited. Yes, you guys will see more of Tay Slays on YouTube in 2022, so get ready. Yeah, so if you guys are interested how I got this look, please keep on watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, so this is editing Tay here. I did want to let you guys know any tools, as far as like the tools that I use, to like straighten my hair, all of that will also be down below. Any products that I use, granted I don't really use many products when I do straighten my hair. But yeah, so everything will be listed down below, so just keep that in mind and just enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and yeah, bye.
does it look like this? Bitch, you're using the wrong pencils.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone.